God, I begin this prayer with an open heart because I no longer want to return to the same cycle. I am tired of promising change and ending up in the same place. Today, I hide nothing from you. I acknowledge that I need your strength to break old patterns. Visit my life, my choices, and my thoughts now, and begin a true spiritual turnaround where the past loses power and the new begins in you. Father, I surrender to you everything that pulls me backward without me realizing it. Automatic thoughts, impulsive decisions, and old fears that still influence my present. I do not want to change only behaviors. I want to change the root. Break now every invisible pattern repeating in my story and establish in me a new awareness, guided by your truth and your peace. Lord, I reject the lie that I cannot change. My identity is not tied to my past mistakes. Today I receive the courage to make different choices, even when it feels uncomfortable. Where I once retreated, now I move forward. Where I once quit, now I persevere. Let this be a real turning point where my life begins to follow a new direction led by you. Loving Father, remove now every guilt that tries to keep me tied to the past. I no longer want to live looking back with shame or constant regret. Teach me to learn from what has passed without being imprisoned by it. Let this new beginning be light, conscious, and real. I choose to move forward without carrying old burdens, trusting that you renew my story day by day. Lord, I place before you my fear of falling again, the fear of trying, changing, and failing. Today I choose to trust your grace more than my limitations. Even if the process is gradual, I keep moving forward. Let every step be anchored in you, and let this new beginning be not only emotional, but practical, visible and sustained by your presence. God, strengthen my decision to remain firm when the old tries to pull me back. Let me not romanticize what wounded me, or normalize what delayed me. Give me discernment to recognize patterns and wisdom to interrupt them early. Let this new beginning be sustained by conscious choices, aligned actions, and a faith that does not depend on feelings, but on the certainty that you walk with me. Father, I declare that this cycle ends here, not by human strength, but by your work within me. Let your peace be the sign that something was broken and rearranged inside. I receive consistency to continue, even when there is no applause or immediate results. I trust that you honor those who persevere and lead my story into a new season prepared by you. Lord, I surrender to you control over what I still do not understand. There are parts of the journey that feel confusing, but I choose to trust you. Even without seeing the final result, I know you are working in the details. Let this new beginning be guided by your hand and not by my anxiety. Teach me to walk with patience, faith, and obedience, knowing that all things work together for good when I am in you. Father, I declare that I am not late. I am being prepared. Every process taught me something that now strengthens me. I let go of comparison and rest in your perfect timing. What belongs to me will not miss me. Let this new season be lived with maturity and discernment. I trust that you know exactly when to open the right doors and close those that would not lead me forward. God, cleanse my mind from repetitive thoughts that try to pull me back into the past. Renew the way I see life and realign my expectations. I do not want only external changes. I want inner transformation. Let my decisions reflect this prayer. Where there was confusion, establish clarity. Where there was fear, anchor confidence. Let this new beginning be real and lasting. Lord, even when everything feels silent, I choose to remain. Teach me not to give up on ordinary days when nothing extraordinary happens. Let my faith not depend on immediate signs, but on the certainty that you are faithful. I keep moving forward, even slowly, because I know each step in obedience takes me farther from old cycles and closer to the purpose you prepared for me. Loving Father, I thank you because cycles are being broken right now, even if I do not see everything yet. What once held me back loses power in your presence. I do not return to the same emotional and spiritual place. Let this moment be a real milestone in my story. Something ended and something new began. I receive your peace as confirmation that you are in control. God, strengthen my decision to remain firm on this new path. Let me not turn back when difficulties or doubts arise. I choose to grow, mature, and move forward. Let this new beginning be healthy, consistent, and aligned with your will. I believe you are building something new in me, stronger than before, more stable, and prepared to last. Father, I close this prayer with gratitude and hope. Gratitude for what has passed and hope for what is coming. I rest knowing you heard every word and are already working. Nothing was lost, nothing was in vain. In you, my story finds direction. I move forward in peace, confident that this cycle has been broken and a new season has begun.